Why did you do that? You didn't have to.
Your mum is waiting. Go. He had stopped 10,000 trains. He had helped 10,000 passengers. Tonight, one more. This station was his. Not owned, known. Every board, every bench, every crack in the floor. Every day for 40 years he wrote in his notebook. Small things, the weather, the trains, the people he helped. Good crying. He wrote that often. He knew the difference. 6 minutes. One last train. Then 40 years would be complete.
He heard the train. Then he heard something else.
Running!
She was 200 meters away. The train came in 5 minutes. She already knew she would miss it.
He had seen 1,000 people miss trains. He had never stopped one for them. Rules said no.
Please, the last train. Is it?
11:58. You have 4 minutes.
My ticket. I had it. It was in my...
Which station are you going to?
Millfield. My mum. She is sick. I have to...
I know, Millfield. Stop looking. I will handle it. He had never done this in 40 years. Rules said the last train could not be stopped. He pressed the button anyway. Platform 1. Hold the level the 11:58. One passenger boarding. 30 seconds. Confirmed. Holding at platform 1. 30 seconds. It is waiting. Go to the platform edge, now.
You stopped it? You actually...
25 seconds. Go.
The train came in slowly. It was waiting. For her. Arthur had stopped a train. For the first time in 40 years.
Why did you do that? You didn't have to.
Your mum is waiting. Go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Safe journey.
The train left. The platform was empty again. Arthur stood where he always stood. 40 years. Done.
He had never broken a rule in 40 years. He had broken one tonight. It was the right rule to break.
He took off his cap for the last time. He held it the way you hold something that has been good to you.
He closed the station the same way he had closed it 14,000 times. Carefully. Completely.
He wrote his last entry. He always wrote the last thing that happened. Tonight, the last thing was a girl in a green coat and a train that waited. Right thing. Good ending. He closed the notebook. He put it in his pocket. He turned off the last light. He locked the door. He looked at the station. 40 years in one building. He turned and walked home.
He had walked this route 14,000 times. He knew every step. Tonight, each one felt different.
Mum, I'm on the train. I made it. I'll be there in an hour. I'm coming.
She thought about the old man. He had not explained. He had just done it. She did not even know his name.
He made tea. He always made tea when he came home from a shift. The last cup after the last shift. 12:23. The train would arrive at Millfield at 12:47. She would be with her mother by 1 o'clock. The railway company had noticed. An unauthorized stop, 40 years of perfect record. One unauthorized stop, his last night.
She made it. 12:47. Her mother was on the platform. She had waited.
They stood like that for a long time. The train left. The platform was quiet. She was there.
She looked back at the track. She thought, I do not know his name. I will never forget him. The next morning, Arthur woke up at the same time as always. 5:47 a.m. Force of habit. No station to go to. He looked at his uniform for a long time. Then he made more tea. Then he sat down and did nothing. For the first time in 40 years. A letter. Not from the railway company, from someone else. Handwritten. He did not recognize the writing. She had written the letter that morning. It arrived the same day.
My mother is okay. He read that line 3 times. Then he put the letter down carefully on the table.
He sat quietly for a long time. Her mother was okay. That was enough. That was more than enough. He added her name, Lily. He always wrote the name of the person he helped if he found it out. He had not always found it out.
He walked. No station to go to. He walked the same way he always walked, slowly, like someone who has time.
He walked past without stopping. Someone else was in there now. The station was fine. It had always been fine.
He sat in the park for 1 hour. He watched a bird. He had not watched a bird in 40 years. He had been busy.
He called on his radio. He just stopped it. I don't even know why.
Because it was the right thing. Simply, some people still do that.
Comment below. Has a stranger ever helped you when you really needed it? Tell me, I want to read every one. And subscribe for more slow English stories. Clear and slow. For you.
He stopped 10,000 trains in 40 years. The last one, for a girl going to her sick mother. That was a good last train. That was a good 40 years.
Thank you for stopping the train, Arthur. You saved me.